By the end of this video, you'll have a grip on the basics of Forex trading, and you'll be ready to take your first step into trading mastery, if that's something that you're into, of course. Forex trading might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty straightforward, and anyone can learn it. With over $6 trillion traded every day, Forex is the biggest financial instrument in the world. That's a financial market in the world. It's open from Sunday night to Friday night, so you can trade whenever you want. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down the basics and also help you understand key concepts to get you started. So, let's dive in. Now, Forex or foreign exchange is where people trade different currencies. Think of it this way. It's like when you exchange your dollars for euro before you go on a trip to Europe, France maybe, but you do this online. Now, in Forex, you trade currency pairs like Euro USD or GBP, JPY, betting on the value of one currency against the other. If you think the euro is going to go up against the dollar, you buy Euro USD. If you think it's going to go down, then you sell. Now, to start trading Forex, you need to know a few key concepts, which are pips, leverage, spread, and lots. Let's take this down. Let's take this one by one. Now, a pip is a tiny unit of measurement of price changes. It's usually the fourth decimal place in a currency pair. For example, if the Euro USD moves from 1.1050 to 1.1051, that 0.0001 change is one pip. For pairs with the Japanese yen, a pip is the second decimal place. Now, understanding what a pip is will help you measure your profits and also your losses accurately. But you don't need to worry, because most trading platforms will automatically calculate this for you. But it's just a good thing to understand how it works. Now, let's talk about leverage. Leverage in Forex is a way to control a large amount of money with a small deposit of yours. For example, let's say with 100 to 1 leverage, you can control $100,000 US. I'm talking about dollars now. $100,000 US, which is just $1,000. Now, this can make your profits bigger, but it can also make your losses bigger as well. So when you use leverage, be careful, because a small price movement can lead to big profits. But be careful, like I said, leverage can also amplify your losses. Just a tiny drop in price can actually quickly use up all your invested cash. I usually advise beginners to start with lower leverage until they're comfortable with trading. The market isn't going anywhere, so take your time, get the right trading education and right trading information that you need, and also practice in a demo account, or better still, with a small amount of money until you're confident. Okay, now let's talk about the cost of trading, called the spread. Now, the spread is the difference between the buying price and the selling price of a currency pair. For example, if the Euro USD buying price is 1.1050, right, and the selling price is 1.1052, right, the spread is what? Is 2 pips. Forex brokers make money from this spread, and some Forex brokers also charge commission. So here's a tip for you: when you're choosing a Forex broker, look for one that offers low spread and low to even zero commission as well. In all this, just to reduce your cost of trading. Now, there's a link to a list of our recommended brokers in the description of this video. You can check it later once we're done. Okay. Finally, let's talk about lots. A lot is a unit of measurement of trade size. There are three main types of lots. There's standard lots, there's mini lots, and there's micro lots. A standard lot is 100,000 units of the base currency, right? A mini lot is 10,000 units, and the micro lot is 1,000 units, okay? Now, if you're just starting out, please, I beg you, stick to micro lots, okay? And as you gain experience and confidence, you can move to mini lots and then to standard lots, okay? But take it one step at a time, right? Now, smaller lot sizes will help you manage your risk better when you're starting out. Also, your profits and losses will they all depend on your lot sizes. So it's a good thing to know how to adjust your lot sizes, because this is going to impact your trading in general. All right. Now, there's something really important I want to talk about, which I believe you need to consider. You need to really consider this when you're starting out in Forex trading. It's so important. And that is trading whilst working a full-time job. You see, Forex trading itself is flexible. Okay. The markets are open from Sunday night to Friday night, and you can trade anytime, literally anytime you want. However, there are times of the day, there are certain times of the day that are more active than others. Most new Forex traders default to day trading, but day trading whilst you're working a full-time job, come on, it's a recipe for financial disaster. The reason is simple. Because that form of trading, that form of day trading requires you to constantly monitor the chart and also be able to make quick decisions, which is nearly impossible if you're working a full-time job. That's why many new traders lose their money. All right. Now, I don't want you to fall into that category. So what I've done, I've put together a free training that shows you how to trade Forex if you're working full-time. All right. Now, it covers the best times to trade, how to manage your trade, and also, most importantly, how to manage your risk as well. Now, the link to the free training is going to be in the description of this video. So, click on the link when you're ready to watch, or basically to watch is free, to watch and learn how to trade Forex successfully without being glued to your screen all day. Now, remember, every expert was once a beginner, okay? So keep learning and keep practicing. Like I said before, start with a demo account, all right? Or better still, start with a small amount of real money, maybe between $100 to $200, until you master your trading strategy. Forex is flexible, and you can fit it around your full-time job or any other thing you do, like your business and so on, making it perfect for busy people, right? So if you like videos like this, please don't forget to like and like the video so the algorithm can suggest it to more people like yourself, and also consider subscribing to see more videos from myself like this. All right, my name is Donald King, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.